I got a MacBook here that comes for no power. The MacBook won't turn on and no power is delivered to the MacBook. As you can see from the USB-C meter here, nothing is displayed on the meter. And after opening the MacBook, I noticed that there's a marking right here. And another thing that I noticed is look at this flappy battery. And this is not even an original MacBook battery. See right there? No Apple logo. So the battery is not original. Some of the cells is not glued to the case. It's coming off. Look at this. And there's a marking right here. So somebody else have been fixing this MacBook and replaced the battery, but not installing it properly.